Hello, my name is Hamid. I have this danby microwave today. The customer said that when they put food or water or anything to heat it up, the numbers will run, but it won't work. So it's plugged in right now. I have this glass of water. I'm opening the door. The water is in. Select a minute or 50 seconds. Is already there, so I start. Nothing works. Inside light is on, but the number changes there. So it looks the microwave is trying to work, but it's not working. Inside it's not running. Everything is off except this number counts down, and my water is still cold. So I have this multimeter. I'm gonna check all my door switches first. It's common problem on the microwaves that if the numbers are counting down, nothing is happening. It's most likely the micro switches. So I unplugged it, turn it around. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 screws, and they're security bits T20. It has a little small hole in it. I'm gonna open all 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 screws are out, and then there's 2 Phillips screw on the sides. One is this one, and another one. These 2 screws are off. Now I'll take the back one off. All the micro switches are there, but before I do anything else, I'm going to discharge the capacitors. For discharging the capacitor, I need a pair of nose pliers or any kind of pliers that has rubber, so you don't want to touch it, and you just touch both of the contacts. Let me disconnect the capacitor and discharge it this way. So attach these 2 leads from the capacitors together. My capacitor is discharged. Now I can check my micro switches. So 1, 2, 3. I got 3 micro switches. I will select my multimeter on continuity or on the resistance, as you can see. And while the door is closed, I'm gonna unplug one of the wires. So the whole micro switch came out. For taking the leads off from this micro switch, they have a small tab. I don't have a nose plier, but I can use this different plier to work on it. And I'm checking for continuity. Actually here, as you can see, this little switch, little small button inside the microwave, I can also already see it's defective. See, it's supposed to come out, or it should not stay in. See? So check for continuity. Nothing. And I'll check the second one. nothing. But when I open the door, I should have continuity. So I'm getting continuity, and on the bottom switch, nothing. When I close the door, I should have continuity, which is good. So I only have this one micro switch defective on it, which you can see it's normally open. Normally open. And I'm going to replace this micro switch. I found a normally open switch. To make sure this switch is working, I'll just check continuity on it quickly. So open, if you press it, that's good. So I'm going to install the switch back in place. Okay. Looks good. So after I replace the switch, I'm gonna turn it this way, plug it in. Here's my glass of water. Open. Water is in.
पीछे रह वाली बोतल गड्डी पीछे जा रही है ड्राइवर पीछे गया तू पीछे क्या पी लो यार क्या पी है
मैं भाई को फोटो दिखा दूँ यार मैं वो वहाँ पे नेट चला नहीं मेरा
किधर?
वो आपको फोटो भेजनी थी
ये है